Hello and welcome to ChemPractice. This is my single page application project for Phase 2 at Flatiron Schools. This web application is meant to be a practice quiz application for students in my chemistry class so that they can practice studying some of the most challenging questions they'll face during class. And so currently I have three question types: predicting whether two atoms would make a covalent or ionic bond, predicting whether an element is a metal or non-metal, and predicting or calculating the electronegativity difference between two elements. So if I select one here, um, I'll select metal versus non-metal. And if you look, when I click on it, the entire image here is a button to go to the next thing. And what this will bring you to is practice settings. And the only thing in practice settings right now is the number of questions that you'd like to attempt. You can attempt anywhere from 1 to 100 questions, and they're incremented by 15 or by fives to try to encourage students uh, to pick higher questions and not just a few. And it starts by default on 1 so that they don't select 0 by accident. And not generate a quiz. So if I select 5 here and I save the settings, it automatically generates question cards for the quiz. And you can see here that I'm on question 1 of 5. And so is nickel a metal or non-metal? I can start selecting the answers here. Okay. And we can see I got 4 out of 5. That's an 80%. And this 4 out of 5 made it so I could get on the high score roster. And so in here, I can put in my initials. And you can see here that the initials field is limited to only 3 characters. And then I can submit that high score. And we can see here that I am, top 5 of the top ones here. Now, if I refresh the page, we can see that it um, persists because the high scores are saved to a database. Um, I can go back to the home page by clicking home, and I can go to high scores by clicking high scores here. And we can see again that high score there persists. So we can try another one here. Let's try the bond prediction. Let's do just 3 questions. So predict if cobalt and luteum will produce an ionic, polar covalent, or non-polar covalent bond. I'm just going to say ionic. Polar covalent. Ionic. And we see here that I got 2 out of 3 correct, or 66%. It still puts me on the high score roster, so I can put in my initials there. Let's put in something different and submit that high score. And then we can see here that there's my high score right there. And we can go back home. So this is my single page application. I thank you very much.